Hello children, today we are going to discuss a case study question of chapter metals and non-metals from class 10. Let's read this paragraph first. On the basis of reactivity of different metals with oxygen, water and acid as well as displacement reactions, the metals have been arranged the decreasing order of their reactivity. This arrangement is known as reactivity series or activity series. The basis of reactivity is tendency of metals to lose electrons. If a metal can lose electrons easily to form positive ions, it will react readily with other substances. Therefore, it will be a reactive metal. On the other hand, if metal loses electron less rapidly to form positive ion, it will react slowly with other substances. Therefore, such a metal will be less reactive metal. We know reactivity series केदारनाथ का मुंशी आलू जरा फीके से पकाता है क्योंकि हर आदमी आलू पकाता. So on the basis of this reactivity series, we know the metals which are on the top, they are most reactive. In the middle, they are less reactive, and the elements which are at the bottom, they are least reactive. And even the elements at the last, they are non-reactive, like gold, platinum, they don't react with anything. First question is, which of the following metal is less reactive than hydrogen? We have copper, zinc, magnesium and lead. You have to see from this which out of them is less reactive than hydrogen, which comes below hydrogen. We have copper, we have silver, gold, platinum. Out of these, we are having in the options copper. So we need to take this copper as answer. Second question is, which of the following metals is more reactive than hydrogen? More reactive than hydrogen means जो hydrogen के ऊपर आते हैं. We have mercury, platinum, iron and gold. Gold, platinum, mercury, they are written below in the reactivity series. So we will write in the answer iron. Third is, which of the following metals reacts vigorously with oxygen? Which reacts with oxygen vigorously? Zinc, magnesium, sodium and copper. We know sodium catches fire immediately when it comes in contact with air and water. So sodium will be the answer. Which of the following represents a correct order of reactivity for the given metals? These are metals given here, sodium, magnesium, aluminium and copper. So we need to find the order according to the reactivity. It is sodium, magnesium, aluminium and copper. Fifth question is, hydrogen gas is not evolved when a metal reacts with nitric acid. It is because nitric acid is strong oxidizing agent. It oxidizes hydrogen to water and itself get reduced to any of the form like nitrogen oxide, N2O, NO, NO2. But dash and dash react with very dilute nitric acid to evolve hydrogen gas. These are magnesium and manganese. Thank you.